Morning folks, Andy here and welcome back to the boat build. I think you can see a bit better in here now. We've had some new lights up. It's not the black hole of Calcutta anymore. So just on with the engine bay, putting the engine mount in. Let's have a look. I've just got it lined up using that board so it's dead in line with the pointy bit there. So I'm just going to get it welded in. So there we are. The engine bed's in, welded in, and the engine bay is getting painted up next week. Cleaned out, hoovered, cleaned out, wiped down and painted. So we're getting there. That's it for today again. It's 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon. It's time for going home, back to eat, or we'll go to the pub and watch footy results. See if we can win something and have a little pound bet. Alright, see you later, ta-ra.